A new run of 4750 PS-2 covered hoppers have arrived from Tangent scale models, and this run includes a pair of SOO line models. These are absolutely beautiful. They are patched X Producers Grain Company hoppers, and they have two variants of these with very slight differences. So we're going to unbox one and then look at the differences between the two. No paperwork in the box, just standard clamshell packaging here. It lifts right off the top. A little bit of plastic here on this car. And you want to be careful pulling these out because these are Tangents, and Tangent is known for having a high level of detail, which means there are a lot of very small detail parts that can very easily fall off of this model. So we want to be very careful when working with these, and we want to figure out the perfect angle here. But all of the details you have come to expect from Tangent models here over the years. A very high level of separately applied details, as well as this separately applied bolted on PGC logo for Producers Grain Company. This one is SOO 22232. You'll notice the patch here is more like a decal. We'll notice on the other one, the patch on the other one does not really look like a decal. On this end, this is the B end. We've got the separately applied brake wheel here, as well as some very nice scale couplers, air hose detail, coupler cut lever, everything you come to expect from Tangent models, you can see here on this model. Of course, looks the same here down this side as well, and then of course the A end of the car here as well. Let's look at the other one and compare the details. Alright, so what we're going to notice here is this one, SOO line 22085, has more like a stenciled reporting mark here. The SOO, you can see the little lines in here where it looks like it was spray painted on with a stencil, and then the other one, 22232, looks more like a decal. That's really, as far as I can tell, the only differences in these two cars, but they are very beautiful models. Of course, they are Tangents. They are kind of pricey, though. Big jump from the last run of 4750s they did. I'll flash the MSRP on the screen here. I'm sure Tangent still has some available. If you would like to pick some up, make your own judgment on whether they are worth the price, but they do come with all the details you would expect from Tangent. Movable roller bearing caps that spin with the wheels as well. I forgot to point that out, but that is a Tangent standard at this point as well. So make your own judgment on that price, whether you would like them. These will be very cool additions to SOO line grain trains on the T-Burr in the future.